Well, hello and hi everyone. Today I'm going to be doing some laundry with Snap Detergent. Now stains don't stand a chance here because this is triple enzyme 3X laundry detergent. Okay, so first let us load all the dirty clothes into the washer. Yep, just put everything in just like that. Okay, alright, the basket is empty. So next, what we're gonna do, just close the lid of the door. Okay, alright, just open that, and we're just gonna put 1 cup, okay, of Snap Detergent. Okay, let's pour it in carefully. Oop. Okay, that's done. Okay, so now we have Snap Detergent in this cup. Alright, let's pour it into wash and free wash. Okay, alright, that's about it. Okay, I'm just gonna add some fabric softener here. Oops. Okay. Alright, that's done. Then what to do? On the power plug, make sure the water is running. Push it in. Turn the cotton. Alright. The washer is on. Put the desired setting of the temperature, RPM, pre-wash, extra rinse no need, delay no need. Alright, one more water, and just hit the start button. Okay, you hear that sound? Alright, so we are washing and we're ready to go. Okay, so that's how you do it with Snap Triple Enzyme Detergent. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Have a wonderful day and take care.